Hello everybody, Jonathan Rio here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song WayMaker by Sinach. So as always, I'll play the song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you, I worship you. You are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, healing every heart. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, turning lives around. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, mending every heart. I worship you, I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Oh, you are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. 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 Wipe away all tears, you mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all, Jesus. You wipe away all tears, you mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all, Jesus. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop, you never stop working. You never stop, you never stop working. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop, you never stop working. You never stop. Oh, you are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Oh, you are Waymaker, miracle worker,
So to be honest, I'm not really sure what the original key of the song is in because it's been played by so many different people, but I play it with my capo on the 4th fret in the key of G. So this would actually be in the key of B. I could play it one step higher if I take the capo off and play it in the key of C. That would be just a half step higher, but for me I find that that's just a little bit too high for me to sing, so I just drop it down a half step, and I do that by transposing the whole song to the key of G, which is a nice easy song to play on the an easy chord family to play on the guitar, and then I use my capo to bring it up 4 half steps to the 4th fret here, and that brings me just a half step below C in the key of B. If all of that sounds a bit complicated to you, I go over transposing. I break it down for you in a lot more detail in my free 3-step guide that you can get up there. As far as chords go, this is a very, very easy song to play because we're only using 4 chords, the C add 9, G, D over F sharp, and E minor 7. What's nice about those 4 is they have a very similar shape to each other. Your 3rd and 4th finger are not moving for the whole song, right? They're going to stay in place. That pinky finger might get pretty tired from staying there, but the nice thing is it makes transitioning a lot easier. And you're going to, by practicing the song, you're really going to help to strengthen your pinky and your ring finger. The entire song has the same progression. We're going to hold each chord for 2 measures, and we're going to start on the C add 9, then we're going to go to G, then D over F sharp, then E minor 7, and then we're back on C again. So it's the same 4 chords in that order the entire song. Now, one thing you want to pay attention to is for the C add 9, you don't want to strum the low E string on just that chord, okay? All the other 3 chords, you can strum all 6 strings. But for the C add 9, the low E string is not part of it. We need to start our strumming on the A string, okay? That's my C note because I'm holding it down on the 3rd fret with my 2nd finger. So that's my C note, and I need to start my strumming there, okay? Not on the low E string. So just make sure to keep that in mind as you're strumming. You can even take your thumb, let it mute that low E string to help in case you accidentally do hit it. It doesn't resonate, it's muted. The strum pattern for this song is also super simple. It's the driving pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 4 down strums, and then an up strum after beat 4, and then we repeat. So basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. But as always, we want to add dynamics to a strum pattern to make it a little bit more interesting. So we're going to strum harder on beats 1 and 3. Every other beat, we're going to strum harder, and on 2 and 4, we're going to strum softer, okay? So if I just hold my G chord, let's say, and play through that strum pattern, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.